Hey tribe. I have been working on the guided meditation portion of Sound Journey that comes up in about 9 days. It's not this coming Saturday, but the following Saturday. And I was just, contemplating the making space theme that we have and how important it is to make space, because we just so accidentally get cluttered within our minds and sometimes our emotional heart with things, and they get in the way of us seeing the beauty in our lives, or they get in the way of us being able to create circumstances that lead to our highest vision of our own lives. Oftentimes it can be just because things are hard, or situations that are difficult cause a lot of emotions or a lot of strife because of all the work that has to be done that goes into those specific situations. But it all, clutters and gets in the way and becomes obstacles of a clear vision. And that could be a clear vision of where you're headed in life or where your aim is. But it could also be a clear vision of the importance of or the depth of a relationship in your life. It could be these obstacles can get in the way of understanding the beauty of nature that's all around and connecting with our planet. They can get in the way of connecting with our spiritual side, God, or prayer, or just meditation that's in communion with the cosmos. So this meditation is meant to create space. So all those things that are kind of filling up your aura, your mind, maybe even your heart and your soul with your emotions, and keeping you from seeing clearly these things that are all too important in our lives. Oftentimes we, take life too seriously because of all those things that become overwhelming and too much, and we are looking to guide you out of that feeling of overwhelm and too much, and find clarity in knowing that life truly is beautiful, and we can guide ourselves towards our own highest vision of what we see as possible. Sometimes we just have to get out of our own way. So that is a little bit about what to expect in the guided meditation portion of Sound Journey next Saturday, June 22nd at 4 p.m. Denise and Jason are just busy creating the musical portion, which is always so incredible. It's a very intricate and detailed offering that they provide. It seems so simple, like someone just picks up an instrument and plays, but it's not like that. As we kind of mentioned in our description of the event, a lot of it has to do with picking up on the transition of the season. And it's not just like the Earth's transition of the season, but the humans' transition of the season. So sometimes they are really pulling in what the people in the room are putting out, like in the moment, and then looking to like transform or even transmute those energies into something that aligns with the season to come. And so the summer solstice is upon us. It's next Friday, I believe, and the way that they'll be working with you is to first kind of meet you where you are, meet us all where we are, with the sound, with the beautiful instruments. It's very submersive and incredible if you've never had the opportunity to feel it. And then you're gonna move us into alignment with the summer solstice and the summer energies, growth and abundance and lots of sun, lots of energy, lots of life. Like we are sun beings and we are full of that light energy, and that's our aim, to bring you more into alignment with that light energy that we all are. So I truly hope that we sell out so that as many of you could possibly experience the Sound Journey do. And if you have any questions or you want to make reservations, you'll do that through me. I'll leave a link. You can just reach out to me if you want to. If you have any questions, let me know. See y'all there.